show you all of my Atari computers that I own, and slowly been acquiring some and fixing some of them. So let's start out with the first one. Over here I have the Atari 600 XL. This one, this computer has, let me wrote it down right here. This one actually comes with like a 16K memory, which is not much. And I fixed this one, I believe. Yeah, this is one of them that I fixed. I got this one off of eBay. All right, and that's the first one that I have. The second one that I got is this one. That I have. I also have the 800 XL, and this one I repaired a little while ago. This one comes with, the 800 XL comes with 64K memory. Okay, so these are two of them that I have in my Atari computer collection. And this one here was actually my first computer I've ever gotten in my life, back when I was a kid. This is not the actual one, but this is the one that I had when I had a kid. I must have gotten rid of it, or whatever happened when I was young, you know. I believe I got rid of it, tossed it or whatever, threw it out, not knowing that I'm gonna end up getting it again, you know. So this is, you know, I was looking for this one all over eBay, and I finally found one. And this one was, I believe, working. It just needed to be cleaned up and stuff. This is the Atari 65 XE. This one comes with about, what, 64 kilobytes of memory, just like the 800 XL that have the same amount of memory. But the difference between these two, as you can see, is the keyboards. They both have the same amount of memory. The only thing different, I believe, about these two, I forgot. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. This one has this serial bus port here, and this one doesn't have that one. This one doesn't have that. This one has a cartridge port. So that's the difference between the 800 and the Atari 65 XE. Okay, but they both have the same amount of memory. Okay, but this is like the more modern, newer style that they did. So I also have this one here, which is this one is the Atari 130 XE. This one, the only difference between this one and the 65 XE, this one comes with more memory, and the memory is 128 kilobytes of memory on this one. And it also comes with this extra expansion slot here. So that's the difference between those two. Yeah, that's about it. Yep. So this one just has basically more memory. I gotta get these keyboards whitened up. I'm gonna do them this year. I need some sun outside, and these, maybe I'll do it on Thursday or Friday, I don't know. Get these back to its original color. Try to at least. Okay, and the final one that I got, and I got this one. This is my Atari 65 XE. I always wanted an 65 ST. 65. What am I saying? My Atari 1040 ST. And this is the F model. Okay, so this one here, I believe this one works. I bought this from eBay, but I haven't, it powers up and everything. I can hear the floppy drive moving around, but I am not 100% sure that it works. I got a cable for it, right? I've never had an Atari ST, so I got a cable for it to connect it to a television. So I found out that I cannot just get that on this model. You can't do that. Get that cable. which is, let me see if I can find that cable. Where's that cable? I don't know where I put the cable. Let me show you what kind of cable I purchased. So I found out that this cable here, well, let me see if I can bring it. Alright, still have it connected to the monitor. This cable here that I purchased won't work on a monitor with this computer. This computer won't work using, a television. Can't convert that with this. This one has, I have to get the actual monitor that came with this model. Okay, there's a workaround that I could, if I get another cable, but the monitor has to have, I forgot what was that type of cable. I forgot what it's called. I don't remember the exact cable. So I could use, but I have to get the specific monitor that can do that. But I believe it works and everything. I wasn't 100% sure if it worked or not. I was trying to repair it, but thinking there was something wrong with it. But I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. I also ended up purchasing a motherboard for this because it was very cheap. So I got a motherboard for it also, an extra motherboard here with all the chips. I actually switched the motherboard from from that one to this one, and they both operate the same exact way. Like I said, I can't test it until I get the right cable and monitor, or the monitor for it, So I'm still working on that, and as soon as I get that, I'm going to test it out, see if that one actually works. So I still have to work on the keys. I did try to lighten them up a little bit, but I still have a little bit more work to do on the keys. So I'm going to try to do that as well, lighten up these keys. The back of it is a little bit like tanned itself, yellowed up. So it's plastic. I got to do that. So that's pretty much it. This is the Atari 1040 ST-F. And it actually works when I turn it on, and you can hear it doing something. But we'll see what happens. So these are my 5 Atari computers that I have, and am I gonna get the old ones? They have the older model, not the XLs. I think the 600, Atari 600, and Atari 800. Those are the first ones. I'm probably gonna end up getting those another time, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm still acquiring other stuff like games and stuff. I got a whole bunch of games. I've been getting a lot of what is that? Nintendo games and other cartridges I've been getting acquiring. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And I also have the game systems, the Atari 2600. I have 2 of them. The one that they call the Darth Vader one, and the wood grain one. Those are the game systems. So that's it for the video, guys, and I'll talk to you later on the next video. And peace out. Thanks for watching.